to Mexico vlog. This is part 2, and we posted part 1 last week, so if you haven't seen that already, make sure to go check that out before watching this. Okay guys, welcome to day 5. So guys, we're at breakfast. My waffle that sadly fell, but I ate more other ones. It's like chocolate syrup.
My dad gave me the most disgusting thing ever. I was so sure why'd I do that? Because you can't like.
What are you guys eating?
I ate butter and bread, eggs, and a donut. She is eating Nutella everything.
What did you eat?
This is not Monster. Eggs and scrambled eggs and waffles.
Lots of eggs and waffles, yeah.
Because everybody loves waffles.
Wait, let's show them around.
So these are slides we currently. 1, 2, 3. Where are you? No, I want to go up. 1, 2, 3. I'm going on red. Ready?
Okay guys, so we had a long day like yesterday. We did pool, beach, and
Water slides.
So now we're going to dinner. We took our showers, and I straightened my hair with like I straightened my hair with the blow dryer because I brushed it, so like it looks really good right now. And usually it's like a big mess.
Yeah, usually it's like.
Okay, see you soon. Okay guys, so goodbye for day 5. We'll see you tomorrow.
Day 6.
Okay guys, so welcome to day 6. so you should have seen that right before this. And now we're going to dinner, and we're all fancy because it's our grandpa's birthday, and then we're gonna go to the show, and yeah. Okay guys, so we're saying bye to day 6.
Tomorrow's our last day.
Hi everyone, welcome to day 7. Today is our last full day. Tomorrow we are leaving. So let's go to breakfast. Yesterday was our grandpa's birthday, so we got balloons. We got like this balloon thing. And yeah, I don't want to leave. Hey guys, we're going to the buffet. We'll actually show you this time like where we go. So we knock the door. We'll show you like everything, like because we're the last day, so like, you know. Okay guys, we're gonna show you what my grandpa got for his birthday.
Hi.
So let's go to breakfast now. After our little,
Which is pancakes.
we get like really desserty pancakes and stuff for breakfast.
Because we're awesome.
And
we're
with
at
sprinkles.
Mexico. I don't get sprinkles. I have none. Okay, let's go. Cannot be late for breakfast.
Let's go. Which one will it be? Which one will it be? No, that one's going down. That one's going down. Oh, it is this one. You were right. And we want Phoebe.
And there's a bench that I have to sit on. Are you sure the theme was
Hey, this is the dessert. This is the buffet. We're gonna go in. Yeah, we're just gonna hold the camera down.
They did Ariana Grande?
Yeah, you were there. No, they didn't do Ariana.
Can we go to get food together?
Yeah.
Swear me.
Where are we sitting? Where are we
I don't know. Ask the parents.
I have my boogie board. The water is actually really warm now that I'm used to it, but when I got in, it was like so cool. And then it was really raining. Whoa, big waves. Woo! I'm gonna get on my boogie board. Yep. Ready? Hotel room from the slides, and then we went to the bar pool where there's like a bar in the pool, and we got us drinks. We got pina coladas. Three pina coladas. Three pina coladas. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna shower. Bye. That was the end of our last full day. Now we're going to bed. Tomorrow's gonna be the day we leave. So now it's day 8, and we're leaving, and we're really sad, and we're going to breakfast now, so let's go. Okay, guys, so we're at the airport right now, going back home.
We're waiting for our food.
We're really hungry. So it didn't take too long. We went on a bus to come here, but like we didn't film that. So we're almost leaving and I'm really sad, but I'm excited to see my dog out and I miss him. Anyway, see you guys soon. Guys, we're on the plane now. Look at the pretty view. Sadly, we're going back home. I don't want to leave.
Hi guys, it's the Glacier Vlog. Ivy, say hi to the vlog. Hello. Eva, say hi to the vlog. Hello, I'm alive. It's Henry. Henry, there's Bob. And I'm Charlie. And we're going on an adventure. Henry's gonna teach us how to do a front flip. I can't hear. We can't flip. I don't want to hit my head.
Weird giblets.
Oh, she fell asleep. Okay, we'll have to wake her up. Wake up!
Pop. Pop.
Aw, I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave this heat. Bye everyone! Thanks for watching. This is the end of our vacation. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!